Okay guys, welcome back once again. So I want to show you my 3 simple step process to earning $100 or 50,000 naira per 6 funnel design project. Alright, I'll show you my 3 simple step process, the step 1, step 2 and step 3 of how I do everything. I've recorded a free video to show you my 3 simple step process. All you have to do is click on the link below to download your video for free. All right, the video is absolutely free, but you have to take action right away. Don't miss out. All right, now the information contained in that video could change your life forever. All right, it changed my life forever during the pandemic period, while everybody were basically panicking. All right, that information contained in that video helped me to skate through, and up to this very moment I don't know what it's called fear or anything like that. Okay, so click the link below to get that video for free and learn my 3 simple step process I use to earn $100 or 50,000 naira per 6 funnel design projects I take on. See you in class, guys. Peace out.